Hey, what is up you guys? I'm EthanTheDJ and welcome back to another unboxing vinyl video. Where guys, today we'll be unboxing Tori Kelly's Christmas album, A Tori Kelly Christmas. You can get the exclusive red edition of this vinyl record from Target. And guys, before we get too far into the video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you never miss a video here on my YouTube channel. And guys, let's get into it and unbox this album and check it out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching me unbox Tori Kelly's exclusive vinyl record here by Target on this vinyl red. Guys, be sure to hit that like button, comment down below on what you guys think of this album, and guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. That way you never miss a video here on my YouTube channel. You guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas. Happy Holidays.